Looks like my mind and heart compelled me to make these videos for these intro shots, which we don't really get to see on a technical channel like mine. Monsoon is at its peak and so is the season of wipers and windshield cleaners. This particular tablet was prescribed to me by my friend who owns a Polo. There are a few other variants available on Amazon which seem to do a similar job, so I went ahead and ordered one. I usually buy wipers offline, but this time I bundled it with some spares on Boodmo, and surprisingly it arrived earlier than what Amazon promised. So you guys at Boodmo are doing a good job. Although I have to mention that I am not a big fan of the Bosch Eco wipers, which we will discuss further in this video. Coming to the tablets, well, these are water-soluble effervescent tablets with cleaning properties that dissolve in water to form a windshield cleaning solution. The pack says that it is a heavy-duty cleaning formula with no harmful chemicals, and you can directly add this to the washer fluid tank, but I wanted to see how it works and if it leaves behind any precipitate. I am someone who has always used distilled water or battery water as a base to my washer fluid concentrate. This helps in keeping the minerals and salts away from scaling and deposit formation. Although many cleaning solutions have got softeners in them, still you can face clogged water jets with hard water. As it can be seen, the tablet starts to dissolve without any external agitation, but the process is slow and it can easily take more than 10 minutes to completely dissolve it in an undisturbed environment like this one. If shaken and stirred, it can dissolve quickly, and once it dissolves, then there is no underlying precipitate or visible solid particles in the solution. Each tablet is capable of making 4 liters of wiper fluid, which I think can be the highlight of this product. I am personally using it in the ratio of 2 liters per tablet with decent cleaning performance. The foam generation is ample and the cleaning properties are good. Don't expect this to remove tar deposits, but it does an excellent job in cleaning those mud sprays from overtaking vehicles and vehicles passing from the opposite lane. Now coming to wipers, in the past I have used expensive wipers and they do their job really well. Unfortunately, they don't last long in our extreme weather conditions. Syndicate is one of the OEM wiper suppliers to Maruti Suzuki, and my experience with them is better than the Bosch Eco wipers. The Bosch Eco is said to have some graphite coating and it does a really clean job in the beginning. Look at these streak-free silent wipes, but by the end of the monsoon, I do get to experience judder and wiper sweeping noise. Although it will still do the wiping job well. I found the Syndicate wipers to be more silent in operation. Of course they cost more than the Bosch Eco, where you can expect the aero version of the Bosch to do a better job. Here you can see the edges of the Syndicate wipers splitting off in the middle of the second season use. Installation is really easy on both of them, as Syndicate has got a clip mechanism, while Bosch has made this even easier with their quick install system, where you just have to push and pull the wipers to install or remove. For now, Bosch is doing an excellent job in providing clear visibility. You can judge it from my weekend drive in the fog and mist. I would like to end this video with a tip where you should always keep a cloth or cushion on the windshield while changing the wipers, as the wiper arm can accidentally fall and crack your windshield. So that's all for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.